now be showing the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus A221. Watch the cabin curtain here. To fasten the double push the ends together. Tighten, pull on the strap. To loosen the buckle and pull to unfasten the buckle re-entry. Your legs are bound under your seats on the water landing. Remove sharp objects from your body. Sleep vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push on the buckle. Pull waist tape to Thailand. When out to the aircraft, pull down sharply the limitation supports on the lower end. If life is stay safely, go into mount loops. Push between the words to release air. Do not inflate your leg as inside the aircraft. The lock will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will draw from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for snot breathe and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you realize to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask in the first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked toward the cabin. Indicate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss, smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and spot markings will lead you to this section during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbelts are not